All right, here's another error that could happen, and that's if you average percentages. So what is the average percentage of people from Alaska and Canada and California who favor free skis for children? Is it the average of the two percentages? So let's check it out and see. So if we average the two percentages, we would have 75% plus 40%, and I'm just doing your standard average or mean from what you might have learned in grade school, where you add up how many numbers, all the numbers you have, and divide by how many there were. And so I have two numbers to divide by, so I'll do 75 plus 40, and I get 115 divided by 2, and I get 57.5. So this would be 57.5% is the average of averages. And so then what we want to do is add up the actual figures. And so we had the ones who favor free skis. So we had 532,500 plus the 14,800,000. And we want to take that out of the total population of the two states. So that's going to be 710,000 plus 37 million. Remember, proportion is part out of the whole, and so what we're doing here is taking the part who approve of the free skis out of the whole number of people that we are talking about. And so when we add all these figures together, so when I calculate for the numerator, I get 15,332,500. For the denominator, 37,710,000. When I divide those two, I get 0.40658, which is a proportion. I can change it into a percent simply by multiplying by 100. Remember, that just moves our decimal 2 places to the right. And then I need to round. I wrote the following digit for us. So that'll be 40.66% approve of the free skis for children. And so the 40.66% is definitely not the same as this 57.5%, which was our average of averages. So be very careful. You can't do an average of averages when the population sizes are so vastly different. And in fact, you shouldn't ever really do averages of averages. So be careful of that. That is a common error. So here we have the actual percent who favor free skis when we combine the two states together.